Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting topic in technology, machine learning or ML for short. We will cover what exactly is machine learning, how does it connect to artificial intelligence or AI, real life examples you already see every day, and why ML is becoming so important in our world today. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and simple understanding of machine learning. No heavy math, just easy explanation. So, what is artificial intelligence? Before we talk about machine learning, let's take a step back and understand artificial intelligence. AI is basically the broad concept of creating machines that can perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Think about things like understanding speech, recognizing images, playing chess or video games, driving cars. So in short, AI means teaching computers to think and act smart like humans. Now, AI is a huge field, and inside it we have a smaller branches. One of them is machine learning. Okay, so what exactly machine learning is? Machine learning is a subset of AI. It is the science of making computers learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are teaching a child how to identify cats. You show them 100 pictures of cats and say this is a cat. Then you show them 100 pictures of dogs and say this is a dog. Over time, the child learns the difference and can recognize a cat on their own. Machine learning also works the same way. We feed computers lots of data, images, text, numbers, etc. And the computer learns patterns. So the computer doesn't need step-by-step instructions anymore. It figures things out by itself from the data. Next, types of machine learning. There are 3 types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. First one, supervised learning. Think of it like a teacher supervising a student. You give the computer input data and correct the answers. For example, predicting house prices based on size and location. You train the system with lots of examples and it learns to predict new ones. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, there are no labels, which means no answers. The computer just looks at the data and tries to find patterns on its own. For example, grouping customers based on their shopping behavior. The computer might find budget shoppers, luxury buyers, and occasional buyers without anyone telling it these categories. Next, reinforcement learning. This is like training a dog with rewards. The computer learns by trial and error, and it gets rewards for correct actions. For example, self-driving cars. They learn to stop at red light, accelerate on green, and avoid accidents by getting positive or negative feedback. So these 3 are the backbones of ML. Now, let's connect the dots. Relationship between AI and ML. Artificial intelligence is the big picture. Machine learning is one way to achieve AI. Think of AI as the universe and ML is a planet inside it. But wait, inside machine learning, there is another special area called deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. So the hierarchy looks like this. That's the relationship. Machine learning is all around you. For example, Netflix or YouTube recommendations, suggesting what you should watch next. Google Maps, predicting the fastest route. Email spam filters, separating spam from useful emails. Siri or Alexa, recognizing your voice. Banking, detecting fraudulent transactions. Chances are you are already interacted with machine learning today, maybe without even realizing it. Now, why ML is important? Machine learning is important because it allows us to handle massive amount of data that humans simply can't process. It helps businesses to make smarter decisions, improves healthcare with better diagnosis, powers self-driving cars, and even helps farmers to predict crop yields. In short, ML is changing industries everywhere. So to wrap it up, AI is the broad ideas of smart machines. ML is a subset of AI that learns from data. ML is already shaping the world around us and it's only going to grow. If you enjoyed this explanation and want to learn more about AI, ML and deep learning, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Thank you.